Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Consider creating a cozy seating area with waterproof cushions. Winter garden decor not only beautifies your outdoor space but also offers a peaceful retreat during cold months. Wood logs are a timeless material that bring natural beauty and rustic charm to any space. Their unique textures, knots, and grains make each piece one of a kind. Using logs for furniture and decor is an excellent way to incorporate nature into your home. Whether it's a log coffee table, a stool, or decorative accents, these pieces add warmth and character that manufactured furniture often cannot replicate. The versatility of logs allows for a variety of designs, from minimalist to elaborate, making them suitable for modern, traditional, or eclectic interiors. Creating log furniture is both an art and a craft. It begins with selecting the right logs, often from fallen or sustainably sourced trees. The logs are then cut, shaped, and sanded to desired dimensions. For sturdy furniture like tables or benches, thick logs are ideal, providing strength and durability. For decorative pieces, smaller or intricately carved logs work well. Proper sealing and finishing protect the logs from moisture and pests, ensuring longevity. This process not only results in beautiful furniture but also promotes eco-friendly practices by reusing natural materials. One popular piece in log furniture design is the log coffee table. These tables can showcase the natural cross-section of a log, highlighting the rings and textures. They often feature a flat top with sturdy log legs or a base. For a more modern look, some designs incorporate glass tops over the log cross-section. Log stools and side tables are also common, offering functional yet attractive options. These pieces are perfect for cabins, gardens, or homes aiming for a rustic or woodland aesthetic, blending comfort with natural elegance. Decor pieces made from logs include wall hangings, candle holders, and plant stands. For example, sliced logs can serve as coasters or display trays, emphasizing the natural rings. Vertical logs or branches can be turned into coat racks or towel holders. Carving or sanding certain parts can create intricate designs or motifs, adding artistic value. Log centerpieces with embedded candles or fairy lights create a cozy ambience. These decor items bring a touch of the outdoors inside, making spaces feel warm, inviting, and connected to nature. Log furniture is also an excellent choice for outdoor spaces. Picnic tables, benches, and garden stools made from logs are durable and weather-resistant when properly treated. Their organic shapes blend seamlessly with gardens, patios, or fire pits, creating a natural setting. Logs can be hollowed out to make planters or water features, integrating functionality with aesthetic appeal. For outdoor decor, carved or stacked logs can serve as sculptures or focal points in landscape design. Proper sealing and maintenance are essential to withstand the elements and prolong the life of log furniture outdoors. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.